Well, as I understand it, is this D2?
Yes.
Okay. That it's environmentally friendly, which is good. I was just downwind of it. Does it make a difference if it gets on me?
No, I wouldn't recommend drinking it, but
no, I don't plan to do
that.
that.
It's toxic, and I mean, you don't even need to wear your gloves.
Wow. So you spray this on first, and you give it a few minutes to set, and then you can wash it down with water?
No.
No.
So what you want to do is you want to spray the headstone down with water.
Okay.
And then you spray the D2.
Okay.
And basically what we're doing is we're creating a dilution of the product on the stone and allowing the water that we previously sprayed to help us move that product around.
Okay.
And then we scrub. If there's a lot of lichen or moss, we'll have already scrubbed that, scrape that off.
Mm-hmm.
But then we just scrub it. We leave like a slurry on the stone, and we leave that on. So it's going to rain in the next couple of days. It'll wash it off. The longer the product can stay on the stone, the better. And it will continue. It seeps into sort of like the microscopic pores of the stone, and then continues to brighten it from 6 to 9 months.
That is fantastic.
So some people, very often, if I'm working by myself in a cemetery, I'll just spray it. I'll do a dilution in my container, and I'll just spray, and I won't do any scrubbing. That's how I can get through cleaning a lot of cemeteries. The effect is slower, but they still come clean.
Wow. I've been in cemeteries where the stones someone has cleaned them because they wouldn't look this good. They're white. So,
yeah, that's unfortunate.
But no, it's beautiful when they've been cleaned.
But that's not, so when you see a stone that's been cleaned, that looks like that,
yeah,
it's been either power washed, which is very, very terrible for the stone.
Right.
Or they've used bleach or OxyClean or some other product, because this product does not give that kind of effect.
Oh.
These stones will not look like new when they're done. They will simply be clean. And they'll be white and brighter if that was the original material, but yeah. It's heartbreaking when I see that, because I know that it's just a matter of time before they start to crumble. This stone has been power washed.
Oh.
Do you see how corroded it is up at the top, all over? And I don't know, it might have been somebody very important, and so it's been cleaned over time with some other products, but you can see how corroded it is.
So when you say corroded, you mean all that?
Can you read anything on that?
I can hardly ever read anything on a headstone, especially this kind of headstone.
Well, there's nothing left. The entire top veneer is off.
Okay, all right.
So, yeah. But I need to keep going.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah. So thank you for answering my questions. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.